Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to mute a section in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you've not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You have your audio recorder right here and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can mute a part of a section in our track. So I'm going to open up this audio recorder option right here. This is going to open up this recording menu. You can open up any of the instruments, doesn't matter, it's going to open up the same menu, and this is going to be the menu where at the top of the screen you have the big red circle to start recording and so on. And now we can get started muting our section. So I'm going to go right here into the upper left corner, click this middle button in the upper left corner. That's going to open up this edit mode where we can find all the tracks that we can access, as you can see right here. So here I have my tracks, and now I can get started with muting anything I need. So what you want to do is find the track you want to mute. First, if you need, you can go ahead and split it into sections so you can mute specific sections. You can do whatever you want, but find your track right here and tap on it. After tapping on it, you want to click the sliders option right here at the top of the screen. The sliders option is going to open up the track settings right here, and in the track settings you can see you have your track volume. So what you can do guys, if you want to remove and mute a section, is just to reduce the track volume to 0. This is going to mute it, and after that you can go ahead and go back, play the track, and find everywhere you want to mute and add your desired effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.